Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be unpotting and mounting my Miltonia Hybrid. So let's get started. First I have to remove it from this container here and get all of the media out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up and sanitized, and I will be back. Okay guys, so I have the roots nice and cleaned up. It's a pretty decent root system, so I'm going to go ahead and select. I think this one is a little too small. This one is also a little bit too small, so I'm going to go with this one. So, alright, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to set this right here. The first thing I'm going to do is put some of this moss here, just to form a little layer here. Let's see if I can find another piece. Alright, that's just as an extra level of moisture, and also to protect the wood so it doesn't get so soaked when I water the plants. I just lay it on top of here since we already have this one here. I'm going to remove these stakes for right now and try to spread the roots without breaking them, of course. I trimmed off quite a bit because it was very stringy. There's a little groove in here, so I'm going to try to get it in there as best as I can. Here's also the stake. I'm going to position that in the groove as well, and that will also help to keep it stable. And I'm going to do the same with this one as well, because the flowers also need some support. So if I can get those in here, that will help to stabilize it. Okay. All right, so that looks good for right now. I'm going to go ahead and cover the roots with the moss. I'm going to secure this side of it with a rubber band, and that should hold the plant and the moss in place. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to add one more here. And then I'm going to connect this to the stake there to keep it sturdy. And there you have it, guys, freshly mounted Miltonia. Thanks for watching.